Knowledgebase is based on the GenAI feature, Zero Setup, that is built into the platform. With this feature, you can add any website address and the bot is ready to take any questions related to the website. Thus, you can build an AI-based conversational FAQ bot instantly. Here we have added the Hyundai website address. Let's launch a preview bot and test the bot. We can ask any question specific to the content of the website. Here we are asking the bot to provide the features of a specific model. After few seconds, the bot replies back with a well-summarized response with a set of redirection URL links. Here's the response. Let's try one more question. We got a perfect response. Let's look at the document search global settings under conversation settings. Document search is enabled as a default fallback mechanism when bot fails to predict a FAQ or an intent. To enable the GenAI functionality, you need to enable summarization. This results in a summarized response from the bot. You can also enable or disable links for the summarized response. Model response provides the option to set the tone of the bot's response for any document search query. You can select one of the 4 different tones listed. Next up, we shall see how documents can be uploaded into the platform, and how the bot can answer queries related to the content of the document. The document can be uploaded from the local drive, or from Amazon S3 buckets, or SharePoint folders. You can upload Word documents, text documents, and presentations. The documents are saved as PDFs. You can also add page URLs. Wait for the documents to be uploaded, parsed, and indexed. These documents can be previewed to check the content. Here is a HR policy document. Let's ask the bot a question related to the content of this document. How is the manpower requisition raised? We see the summarized response from the bot with a redirection link to the section of the document where the content is located. The response is more formal. Now let's try to change the tone to instruction-based. Let's ask a question from the product documents that we have uploaded. The question is to list the steps to create a template. Response with a series of steps. Tags. We can add tags in the form of key value pairs to each document. This is the metadata of the documents. For example, we have 2 documents related to same product, that is vSphere. But the content is different. To differentiate the documents with similar product or services, we add metadata tags. For example, vSphere installation and vSphere introduction. This is particularly useful when you have flows for document search. With metadata, we can narrow down the search to a specific document machining the metadata. This is particularly useful when you have flows for document search. With metadata, we can narrow down the search to a specific document matching the metadata. To trigger this flow, we shall add an intent with some utterance and train the bot map the intent to the start of the flow. Now let's trigger the flow. Enter the query related to the document. Here we got the prefect response from the bot. One last point before we conclude. The document search action node has settings where you can configure number of records to display, maximum number of results per document, and add some text for success or failure of search.